How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking the bikes for a ride, which I'm extremely excited about. So we're taking my RM250, the freshly built RM125 and Dad's KX250. So I'll be filming two videos probably, so I'll split it up. So we'll have a first ride on the RM125 and then the first ride on the RM250 after all the work's been done to it and all that. So yeah, it'll probably end up being two videos. But yeah, for the RM250, I've got some huge news. So you guys are going to have to stick around for the end of the video to hear that. So yeah, in the shed, she's pretty packed. So under here we've got Dad's KX250. I still need to make a video on this thing. But yeah, I'll go through that in a later video. Probably once we start working on it again. Just finishing the last few things off, but it hasn't really been on the priority list at the moment. And under here we got the two RMs. So yeah, even though there's going to be only two of us riding, we're going to take all three bikes, and then that way, because we don't want to put too many hours on the RM125, but we want to make sure that it's running right, and nothing's going to fall off, everything's tight, all that, before we sell it to the new owner. So just going to put a few hours on that, break the motor in and all that, and then yeah, just going to have to break the motor in on the RM. I'll be riding that for the whole day pretty much, and then yeah, the news will be at the end of the video, what's happening with that. Got all three bikes loaded up now. Bit of a lineup today. So first stop, the servo, get some drinks and stuff, and then we'll be on our way. Right, first ride on the RM125. It's not completely done, like we need to sort it out because it's not idling properly and stuff, but enough to ride it and all that. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. But yeah, track's pretty muddy today. We've just been out on the 250s and stuff and then had some lunch, so we'll take this for a blat. I've been in a 125. She's got some go to her. But holy fuck, that exhaust, bro, it needs packing so much. It's so loud. We didn't get a chance to pack it before we came, so that's definitely on the priority list to get this thing all sorted. We just put it on how it came on the bike, so we'll see how this goes. Fuck it. it back. Now the part everyone loves is we've got to wash the bikes up. So I'll update you guys once they're all clean. Right, RM125's all washed up now. Looking shiny again. Two bikes to go. She's all clean again. Just got to dry it off and then lubricate up the pipe. She's all sparkly again. Pull these and stuff out now. We'll start it up. So yeah, today was a bloody awesome day. We got both Suzukis and stuff out running. We got the RM125 all washed up. It's behind me there, as you can see. We didn't really want to put too many hours or anything on it. So I actually was the only one who rode it out of me and Dad. Dad didn't feel too comfortable riding it after I got back on it. Just didn't want anything to happen to it or anything. And then yeah, we've got to fix it up and get it ready for the next owner and all that. But yeah, from the footage you've seen, which is actually the only lap that I'd done on it, yeah, it's a bloody animal, to be honest. I've owned quite a few 125s. I've had a KX 125, CR 125, and now an RM 125. Also ridden RM 125, KTM 125. I've ridden quite a few bikes, and yeah, the power band on that thing when it comes on, yeah, she's all go. Like, it's a little bit laggy down the bottom, but that quite possibly could just be the jetting and stuff. But yeah, once that power band came on, she was all go, and yeah, I'm pretty stoked with the way it turned out, to be honest. Coming from how we bought the bike, it's a completely different thing. We got it for 500 bucks. Motor was blown up. The gearbox was all like all the gears were around it and stuff. Yeah, didn't have a front tire. Everything was loose. The exhaust was dented and all that. So yeah, what we've made here behind me, yeah, just shows that with a little bit of time, money and effort, you can turn a bike around. So yeah, the way the bike went and all that, can't really fault it, to be honest. And it was definitely an enjoyable ride, building it up, making it what it is, and then having the enjoyment of taking it for a ride. So with that, yeah, it's pretty much going to wrap up the RM125 build. Yeah, still got maybe a few little things to do on it. Got to get some new foot peg pins, because we sort of had to rig them up just so we could take it for a ride on the weekend. And then we've got like a front brake guide and the fork guard clamp where the brake hose goes onto, because we just pinched the one off my 250 for the lap I did do on it. But yeah, went bloody amazing, and super stoked with it. So yeah, the bike will be up for sale very shortly. So yeah, if you guys are from New Zealand or anything and interested in buying the bike, go down below. I don't know, drop your Instagram, or even easier, go and flick me a follow on Instagram. I'll leave the link here, just at motivated_NZ, and then you just flick me a DM if you're interested in buying the bike. We'll be selling it for 5,000 on your offer, which is very reasonable for this bike, and yeah, what we've made it into. So yeah, if you guys are interested and from New Zealand, go flick me an offer or whatever, and yeah, we'll go from there. But Otherwise, that's going to wrap up the RM125 build. Yeah, cheers for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.